Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people, I want to talk about one woman. The woman, anytime when the husband dey travel, this woman go suffer just carry man come house. He go dey jogodo the man. He go dey jogodo the man all the time. And this woman dey do am. So the husband, that one no quick notice. Anytime neighbor go dey hear wey bird go dey do kigbo, 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 kigbo. They go dey hear different noise. They go dey feel say na something na dey happen for inside house anytime when the husband just travel comot for house. So one day she come see bring the man come again. As he bring the man come, because why I dey talk this thing be say there are some women husband no fit una, marriage no fit una really. If you know say you wan go dey cheat on your husband, wetin come make you marry? Wetin make you even dey on that marriage when you know say you go still dey go outside? I don't understand some women really. I don't really understand. If you know say marriage don tire you, wetin go make you come marry? Wetin go make you come say you wan marry when you know say you wan dey cheat on the man? Like seriously, some women as they do una sure say na ordinary hand for una. They do una. If you know say marriage don tire you, you don't want continue with marriage, wetin come make you? Wetin make you marry? Wetin make you say you wan marry when you know say outside dey your eye? When you know say you wan go dey cheat on your husband? Wetin make you marry? The first una dey marry, abi they do una this thing? Okay, this woman, anytime when the husband come up for her, this woman will always cheat on the husband. I see the video for Facebook. I was shocked. When you know say marriage no wan gree you, wetin make you now come go marry? Wetin make you come say you wan marry when you know say marriage no dey your eye, you know dey your mind to marry? Like seriously, some women una own do una body really una own if you yakpata for una body. If you know say this one an advice to our ladies. If marriage tire you, it's better you just leave the man than you dey cheat on the man. E no dey good, really. E no dey good. Abeg. When I want to cheat on una husband again, I know say some men their own dey their body yakpata. They use that so agbada, so chokoto. Some men their own dey their body. So when you know say see the kind man wey you dey follow, and you know say na this man na wetin him dey do right from time, my dear, they no force you for that marriage. They no force you make you stay there, my dear. They no force you. So this one will be say you dey on that marriage, you go to cheat on your husband. I don't really buy that idea. It's not really good. Really, it's not good. When you know say marriage don't tire you, it's better you just leave the man than you come there house they cheat on her. Okay, see this woman. Anytime when the husband come for her, she go just carry back come house. That faithful day now, the be like say the man don't dey hear the rumor before. And the man come catch them red-handed. The man catch them red-handed. You know? As the man come catch them now, the man they beat the one who can even tell me pass. The man they beat the man when they come meet on top of his wife. His wife that where they drag me, they leave the man. That means the man they read the swear so tall there be waiting. If they able to say make they leave the man. To show say you not ever feel love that your husband, then why are you still there? Why you say there with the man when you know say you want to go the jogodo for outside? Wetin come make you there with the man now? Wetin make you there with the man when you know say that jogodo you want to go the do am? I don't understand you now. If marriage tire you now by force, must you marry when you know say you know go fit sit down for one place? Must you marry? Must you? I mate they marry. Now I want marry. Not be say they una mind because outside never finish for una eye. Outside never finish. Because if outside don't finish, I don't see the reason we go make you go marry. See go the jogodo on another man. Marriage don't tire una. It don't tire una. Some women una own do una body really. Una own do una body. One of they use una HQ. One of they use una HQ. You go go dey on that marriage, you go dey cheat on your husband. If your husband na cheater, say that because of that one, I make you want do one. It's better you just leave am, because if woman do na taboo, if man do not be taboo. But if woman do na taboo, eh? Okay, see that topic when I just do for live video, whenever I now. Now the man come for house. His friend when they put for house, they joke to his wife. His wife even get belly. They joke to him. What you want call that kind of person now? What do you want call that kind friend now? Don't be betrayal of friend. How can your own friend, self, your own friend wife, your John Thomas go able to stand for her? Because of she even still get belly. Eh? She even get belly. I don't understand some men. I don't understand them. Some women, I don't understand them really. What you go make you now? What you they look for you this woman? Where you go the joke to another man? Your husband John Thomas not the reach you. Because your husband they now water board. Now you don't want, now you want to talk. Say the man the quick throw away the supply water. If you know like that, what you can make you don't leave the man? If that is different because of that one, say you know you be woman will be say you know the first stay without John Thomas. You go leave the marriage. Than say you go dey cheat on her. You go leave the marriage. It dey more better than say you dey cheat on your husband. It no dey good. It no dey good our women. We will dey put respect for our body so that make men still respect us. When I'm going to surprise now say your husband no dey able to cheat on her man. Maybe now she just want the jogodo men. Eh? Okay, see another one when I see for YouTube, for Facebook. The woman, the husband don't pay me for a long time. The husband brothers them come organize boy, make they call the woman. The woman don't know. Come begin to pick their call. So they come invite him. The woman like don't take now. He never throw away supply water. I say somebody come call her. I say okay, oh, may go jogodo. You don't know say that set up. As he reach there now those boys now, the three of them, they jogodo the woman after the door. Give am a medicine when she go take sleep. They jogodo the woman. They jogodo after they jogodo the woman finish. They come payment the woman. As the payment the woman finish, now they run. But thank God for the good police we get for Africa. They can't catch them. They can't catch them. Eh? Una jogodo person finish, una come payment the woman. Like seriously? When this barber is going to finish for Africa, when it go to finish, what he okay? Una want carry with una brother, women leave. I be waiting. What he will come make una come make this woman just like that? Eh? What he could make una make this woman now? My people, this thing, the thing they shocktalize me, the thing they tire me sometimes, really. If you just hear some kind things wey dey happen for this social media now, you go shocktalize. You go know say things they really happen. Only God. Now we go to pray for now. For wetin dey happen for this world now, really. Eh? I don't understand, really. I don't really understand. Eh? Una see jogodo the woman, una can see women the woman. How una take feel say God go forgive una? How una feel say God go forgive una really? More una dey fear God though. Una when they do this bad things, so more una dey fear God. Because karma will dey visit una one by one. See that small girl now for Ghana when I first talk about. After 3 guys, we be say the girl, you never even know man before. They jogodo, they finish the girl. They jogodo the girl. Then they even can't open the only pot for the girl. They jogodo the girl finish. The girl they come as not feel waka. The girl not come feel waka again. The next thing, police come finally catch them. Now we come pay pass. They can't still live. No. When I finally catch them, fine. But at least now for really do one. Because they poor. Una release those people after 2 weeks. Like seriously, only God Now go help Africa people. Only God. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Until I come your way next time again, I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you and share this video for me. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Bye.